I'm downtown Sheboygan. I just want to get some footage of this building before they demolish it. I think they're going to be doing it soon. This is the old Boston store. Before that it was Yonkers. And before that it was the H.C. Prangy Company. The Prangy Company opened in 1898, burned down in 1984, then it turned into the Yonkers, and then in the 90s it turned into a Boston store. So then in 2014 Boston store closed, and here we are 2015. And now they're going to knock it down and create some green space. So I just wanted to get some footage here before it's gone. The inside. I don't know if I can find someone to let me in there. Wow. It's destroyed in here. Oh, shit. I always like walking through this part. This always felt like I was walking through a secret passageway. You know, my own private little alley. But yeah, so that's some good footage. Incredible, I think it's pretty incredible that, like I said, 1898, there's been a department store of some sort on this site. Here it is, 2015. It's over 115 years, and it's going to be demolished.